Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Good. Oh, thanks for asking. I'm doing well too. All right. What do you say we start our warm up? Let's go over all of our letter, keyword, and sound. Remember, repeat after me when baby Echo looks at you. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, P. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, Great job. And guess what? We're still missing a handful of letters. And today we'll be learning 3 letters. Everybody show me 3 with your fingers. Awesome. Okay, are you ready? I know you are. The next letter we're going to add is K. We have our big K, our uppercase, and our little k, lowercase. The picture for K is a kite, and the sound is K. So when we do this card, we'll say K, kite, K. You try. Perfect. Let me add our standard card to the board. What color is it, everybody? Yellow. So that means it's a consonant. Very good. Who knows where the K goes in the alphabet? Let's sing the alphabet to help us. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Ah, there it goes, right there. Good old K. All right. And our next letter that we're going to add today is the letter L. Uppercase L, lowercase l. Our picture is a lamp. The sound is ooh. You try it. L, lamp, ooh. Good. And make sure you're biting that tongue, ooh, or having that tongue up behind your teeth for the L sound. Ooh. And the L goes after the K. I, J, K, L. And the L will be the end of this row. Let's practice those 2 new letters. K, kite, K. L, lamp, ooh. Great. And our last letter for today is going to be this missing letter right here. Who knows what's missing? Very good. It's the letter H. And the picture for H is a hat. The sound that H makes is if you put your hand in front of your mouth, you can feel yourself blowing that air on it. Try it. And guess what? My last name starts with H. Holbrook. Okay, let's try the whole story for this. H, hat. Very nice. And here's our standard card that goes right in this spot. H, hat. Great job, everybody. Let's get ready to practice writing these 3 new letters. Now, these letters are all skyline letters. They're going to start in the sky. So we did K first. Let's start with K right now as well. Let's see. Here's what a K looks like. K is a skyline letter. Can you see my lines? Okay. So that means it starts in the sky. Point to the skyline. Go all the way down to the grass line. Point to the plane line. Leave a space and slide over and touch your tall line and slide back to the grass line. K, kite, k. This is one of the only letters where you pick up your marker. Watch, I have to pick it up to make a space and then slide in and slide out. K, kite, k. Are you ready to try skywriting some K's with me? Okay, stand up. Shake out your arms, everybody. Let's visualize this K. What color do you want it to be coming out of your imaginary hand? Ooh, good choice. I love blue. Okay, 2 fingers out. Nice straight arms. And repeat after me. Point to the skyline. Go all the way down to the grass line. Point to the plane line. Leave a space. Slide over and touch your tall line. Slide back to the grass line. K, kite, k. Okay, let's try another. Use skywrite and I'll hold it close. Point to the skyline. Go all the way down to the grass line. Point to the plane line. Leave a space. Slide over and touch your tall line. Slide back to the grass line. K, kite, k. I want you to do whichever side you're comfortable with and practice a whole row of Ks. Take your time and make sure you say K, kite, k after each one. Pause here and come back when you're ready with your Ks. You're back? Your Ks are ready? Oh my goodness, show me. Show me your Ks. Oh, nice job. Beautiful. Okay, I think you're ready for the next letter. Let's make some room on our boards. We'll erase. And we are going to skywrite the letter L. All right, guys, this is what it looks like. It's a skyline letter too. So you point to the skyline, go down to the grass line, and stop. L, lamp, ul. I think you got this one. But let's still skywrite it just to be sure. Black glittery color is what I'm going to try to picture shooting out. Let me cover that light. All right, repeat after me. Point to the skyline. Go down to the grass line and stop. L, lamp, ul. Awesome. Grab your whiteboards and you know what to do. Practice your L's on either side. Really make sure it starts in the sky and ends on the grass. Pause here and do all the L's you need until they look good. You're back. I can't wait to see your L's. Show me, show me. Nice. Okay, and now for our third letter. What was the third letter we did today? Very good remembering. H. So here's what an H looks like, my friends. Also a skyline letter. So we point to the skyline, go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plane line, and make a hump. H, hat, Okay, time to skywrite. Come on, get up. Shake out that arm. Nice and straight. Make sure you're using your writing arm. Repeat after me. Point to the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Trace back up to the plane line and make a hump. H, hat. Okay, let's get our whiteboards. And I want to hear you say it to yourself as you go. Point to the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Trace back up to the plane line and make a hump. H, hat. H, hat. H, hat. Great. Do a whole row if you can. Take your time. Pause if you need to and then come back when you're ready. Okay, friends, we're going to keep our whiteboards out and do a little practice with all of our letter formation. Okay, so Echo is going to say a sound. You'll repeat it and then you'll write it. Repeat after me. J. What says J? Yes, go ahead and write it. If you can, try to use this side, but if it's a little too hard still, you can use the big side. We want to try to do the smaller writing. All right, show me what says J. J, like jug. Okay. What one's next, baby Echo? Ooh, good one. What says repeat? Which is the letter's name? Write it and show me. Did you write H? Yes, H says ah. What says ah? There it is. It's the E, like in ed. You know what? Let's practice these vowels really quickly, and then we'll do some more writing. I want to make sure you hear these. Sing with me, okay? A, apple, E, ed, I, itch, O, octopus, U, up, Beautiful singing. Now, maybe I'm going to pick one of those vowels to whisper in my ear. He's saying ah. Write the letter that says ah. A. Very nice. Okay, let's do a couple more. K. Can you write the letters that say K? Baby Echo's telling me that 2 letters actually say K. Do you know what they both are? See if you can come up with 2. Did you get them both? C and K? Nice job. And check your K. Did it start at the skyline and go to the grass line? And then pick up your marker and go to the plain line? If you need to pause here and practice some more Ks, you can. Okay, one more sound from Baby Echo. I. What says I? Write the letter. That's right. I says I. You are working so hard. I want everybody to give me an air high five right now. Oh yeah, keep it up. And last thing we need to do for today is get our handy dandy student notebook. We need to add our 3 consonants, H, K, and L. So go ahead and find the consonant sound spot. And which one will come first in alphabetical order? The H. So you'll find the H on page 3. What's the letter's name, everyone? H. What's the picture? Hat. What sound does it make? Good. Go ahead and color in that hat. Take your time. Pause it here. And then come back and we'll get ready for the next letter. Look, the next one's on the same page. We're still on page 3. What's this letter's name? Yes, the name is just K. I don't want the whole story, just K. What's the picture? Kite. And the sound? K. Great. Color that kite, whatever color you'd like. Pause it and then come back. And we have one more letter. Today we did the L. What's this letter's name? L. What's the keyword or picture? Lamp. And what sound does it make? Oh, great. Color that lamp right in. Great job, everybody. And before we leave, let's just practice these sounds one last time. Repeat after me. H, hat. L, lamp. Ooh. K, kite. K. Awesome. This is Mrs. Holbrook and Baby Echo signing out for today.